Despite iOS 16 being an improved version of iOS 15 with exciting features, some Apple users have encountered annoying bugs, specifically with the iPhone touchscreen not working or Face ID not working. Just watch this guide. You'll find solutions for the iOS 16 Face ID not working issue here. Part 1. Fix Face ID not working after iOS 16 update with 12 tricks. Trick 1. Clean the iPhone camera and sensors. Trick 2. Ensure nothing is covering the TrueDepth camera. Trick 3. Toggle off, require attention. Trick 4. Don't block your face. Trick 5. Inspect your Face ID settings. Trick 6. Verify the lighting condition. Trick 7. Reset Face ID. Trick 8. Correct alignment. Trick 9. Check iOS for updates. Trick 10. Add an alternate appearance. Trick 11. Reset all settings. Trick 12. Contact Apple support. Part 2. Fix Face ID not working on iOS 16 with iOS System Recovery 1.0 work. If Face ID still doesn't work on your iPhone, use iOS System Recovery. It resolves over 50 iOS errors caused by system failures, including device, screen, wounds, and iOS mode issues.